guys, this is Lindsay Doe and let's talk unemployment. Now today is Q&A about general questions you may have about unemployment. Now, first question, what is the best way to file unemployment right now? It is file online. I'm going to go ahead and include the links to unemployment for all the states down here, so go ahead and click on that. How is my WBA calculated? WBA means weekly benefit amount. Your weekly benefit amount is calculated using the base period, which is the last 18 months wages of which you worked. Now, if you filed in January, February, and March, October of 2018, all the way through September of 2019, that year would be used to calculate your weekly benefit amount. If you filed in April, May, or June, your wages from January of 2019 all the way through December of 2019 would be taken into consideration to determine your weekly benefit amount. Who contributes to your unemployment? Now, if you are a W-2 employee, your employer is the one who contributes to your unemployment. Now, under the new CARES Act, 1099 contractor or gig worker now could potentially qualify, and the federal government is giving money under the CARES Act for them. So the employer obviously does not contribute to your unemployment for gig workers. Now, what is a continued claim form? It's called a DE 4581, and you must fill it out to certify for your weekly benefit amounts. What are the general qualifications to qualify for unemployment? Well, first of all, you have to have a long work history to establish your claim with wages. And then also, whenever you fill out your DE 4581, you must be able to work, available to work, and not refusing suitable work in your profession or experience. How to report wages on your claim form. You would mark yes on question number 6. Did you work or earned any earnings? And you would mark hours worked, whether or not you would report your wages of work, even though you may be paid at the end of the month. Right, not when you will receive it, but when you worked. What is a false statement? A false statement is when you misreport or lie to the department with the intentions of defrauding the department to collect unemployment benefits. Now, that includes reason for separation. You were fired and you indicated that you were laid off, for instance. If you want to know more in details about this, I'm going to make a separate video. If I'm working part-time, do I qualify? The short answer is yes. If you work part-time or if you are being furloughed, you do qualify for unemployment because you are still working. However, the wages that you do earn per week are deductible. And if it is deductible, then how much? Now, the first 25% are not deductible, I'm sorry. If you worked $100 or less, the first $25 is free. So for instance, if you earned $100, only $75 is deductible. If you earned over $100, the first 25% is not deductible. So let's say if you earned $400, only $300 is deductible, and you take your weekly benefit amount, you minus it by the deductible wages, and that would be how much you're getting. Now, I'm in California, so the rules may change. I know for a fact that Washington states you have to take your wages minus $5 first, and then you would minus the 75% of deductible wages. So please do your due diligence and do check with your unemployment website with your state, obviously. All right. I am a gig worker. If my job falls through due to the coronavirus, what to put on regarding last date of work? That's actually my scenario. I would put your return to work date as the last date of work, even though the business closed and you never actually made it to work. That would be considered your last date of work. So your claim would start the last Sunday in which your return to work date is. How do I report residual pay from acting work? Residual pay, you would report it on question number 6 on the claim form. Hours work, you would write 0, and then you would write the amount of residual pay and indicate residual pay. I delay filing for UI because the EDD website crashed. Will I lose out on benefits? The answer is no, you will not. Due to the COVID-19 virus, the federal government has recognized that there are delays in filing. Therefore, your claim would be backdated to when you were first unemployed, not when you filed. Is severance pay deductible? Normally, severance pay is not deductible. However, you may misunderstand, and that might be in lieu of notice pay or continuation pay. So when in doubt, go ahead and report it to unemployment. And now in regards to in lieu of notice pay or continuation pay, that most likely is deductible. Or if you received full benefits from your employer because you were unable to work due to contracting the coronavirus, you can go ahead and also report that to the department, and the department will determine whether or not it is deductible, but that's very likely that it is. May I have my benefits deposited directly into my bank account? The answer is yes, you can. You can have your unemployment benefits directly deposited into your bank account. Is UI money taxable? Yes, it is. You can check a box under your claim form to have your tax withheld. How do I stop claiming unemployment insurance benefits? Do I need to let you know I returned to work? No, you don't. If you don't want to certify for benefits for any reason, such as returning back to your work, what you can do is you do nothing. Do not fill out your claim forms, and we will not send you any more claim forms or any money. Now, I've just addressed 18 questions out of the general question list. If you have any other questions, please go ahead and comment below and let me know. And I'm going to try my best to answer your questions. Again, unemployment insurance does vary from state to state. For example, the maximum benefit amount for California is $450. So therefore, the laws kind of change from state to state, and I do encourage you to do your due diligence and research more in your state to see if anything changes. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. That would make me really happy, and good luck. Thank you, guys.